Hello everyone, I am Shelly from Shelly Shoe Design, and today I'll be teaching you how to create a zero waste face mask. I am pretty excited about these masks because they do not waste any fabric, whereas conventional masks waste like 30%. They look pretty stylish and you can reuse them and wash them. First, in terms of materials, you will need fabric, coffee filter, scissors, and string or elastic. In terms of the dimensions, for the fabric, think about what's right for your face. So for example, for the long side of the fabric, you want it to be able to cover your cheeks when you fold it in half. The short side should be able to cover your nose to your chin. And for the string or elastic, measure the distance between the bottom of your chin to the top of your ear and multiply that by 4. Next, you just want to fold the fabric. Have the back side of the fabric facing you and leave about 3 centimeters at the ends. Next, you want to sew 3 of the sides. This actually creates a nice little pocket and it becomes a double layered mask that you can actually put filter paper in later. Then I want to flip this little pocket over, and you will see here that I have an iron on the side because I actually like to iron it before I flip it over so it looks neater later. So next step is to tuck that little flap at the end and actually fold it inside to create this clean, neat edge at the end. It also makes it easier to attach straps. So for 2 of the straps at the ends, I am actually going to put it inside that flap I just folded in, and it creates a neat end to the straps. And the other 2, I'm just going to sew it on the corner. Another thing I like to do around this time is that I actually like to fold the mask in half, pinch it a little bit, and sew that together. So it creates this nice bowl shape that fits better and creates better airflow. And then this is one of the last steps. I'm going to create sliding knots. And basically what they do is that it makes it adjustable so that the mask can fit your face the way you like it. I like to make sure that the knots are below my ears when I put them on. Finally, this step is when you add the filter. So here I am using a piece of coffee filter and I'm just putting it into that pocket I created with my mask. You can use other filters too, but this is how you create a zero waste face mask. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.